Initially increasing, and it went up to about 37 meters. Up till that, 37 meters. So initially, sir, to make up this, we thought that we'll cut the hill and then we'll make the road so that vehicle can pass from there. But what happened, sir? We have started cutting also. So the whole hill came down in the rain, and then expert came from Delhi also. 3 experts, soil expert, and then IIT Delhi expert. 3 people came. They told, don't go that side much. Now you go that side more. So now we have acquired the land also that side, sir. But we are not able to go that side about 20-30 meters that side because it is all slushy there. We are not able to enter that. So we have started from there, and we have come about half the way we have reached. The halfway only. So halfway we have to reach. But every day, sir, rain is there. Then cracks are coming, sir. Just see, sir. Cracks is coming. So that is rain is disturbing every day, sir. Every day there is rain also.
It will definitely, the whole slip is going till the river.
Yes.
So now your department or other department also should come in. And the narrow, strong portion, you should give CC, check them. And don't, you see, you put iron rod. And if possible, piling also.
Yes.
And then road, check them. Solid road and concrete. And concrete, there are so many good machines, even in Kohima. From that mixture vehicle, na?
Yes.
From there, if they do it from proper side and bring it here, and one day if you give 10-20 truckloads, then one day you'll finish one level. And while you are doing another one, see like that, you don't need much time. When you do this time, what you do permanently.
Yes.
Don't do temporary. No boulder sausage, no kind of retaining wall required. MS road, binding CC, and piling. That'll be easy. And this side, since you have
This
dug,
side, sir, slope protection will be done from there to here.
do that.
Soil leading, another.
And you see here the whole bed is gone, na?
Yes.
So that portion, that side is strong and this side is strong.
No, sir.
Same.
Almost.
This post line.
So far this area is not affected,
just sustain.
only sliding from the above.
Sliding from the above and all water is coming. We are channelizing water, sir.
So
from that side.
here you should make a CC bridge. CC bridge.
Yes, sir.
Piling, post. Then you come. And whatever comes, let it go below. And then you go like a flyover.
Viaduct type.
Yeah. And then even if the debris come, let's come, it will go below. Flow.
Can you do slope?
But sir, that
Slope protection work
we are doing.
at
Yes,
this
we are
season.
doing. Yes. We are starting, sir. We are starting.
We can do it in this season.
Yes, we do.
In the
Whenever there
meantime,
is dry,
in the meantime, when the weather is fair,
Yeah.
I think we can also do some step
we are
cutting.
doing. We are doing, sir. That step cutting
This is very temporary. You cut a little bigger rope.
rain, they will.
One more rain will come very
Yeah,
strongly.
yes.
The real landslip is September. August, September. Assam used to have at least 3 floating. So from that you can see. Even Assam, the people will settle in the Brahmaputra valley. When the flood come, they will move out. When the water succeed, they will go back. Same thing. Same story. Should work out a long-term formula, na? Anyway, this is a very heavy landscape.
Durga Puja, heavy rain will come during Durga.
And any other alternative highway?
Sir, this alternative
Diversion.
top one.
So we have
6.
one of this, what do you call it, our heritage. We have one small room With
Yeah.
that we are playing now. That is the only alternative route. The other day, the mark slide has come and then and then it took about 5 hours to clear the DC.
This is the alternative, sir. This
Yeah,
is
above
the
the
team of them. And now, sir, what they are doing? Many vehicles are going through Peren, first Peren, and then going to many vehicles now going, sir. Initially it was not, now they are. And other vehicles,
Perin Mara.
Amara, sir. This way they are doing. And another, this way,
Yeah, from
NH29 they are
Janapani.
coming. And because here,
Then we have met the
we have
secretary.
received that. We have received that.
You received?
Yes.
So that you can contact the people. They should provide the land.
Sure, sir.
An alternative road,
Road
is
is
the only way.
lane is available.
That will be best.
No worry.
This is the shortest. So when the dry season comes, you do what is possible.
Yeah.
But you keep the bypass,
Bypass.
construct with National Highway specification. This is
Alternative.
only
Alternative
solution.
road.
Right.
Yeah. That will survive.
Ano ade? Ano ha? Me hira mo po bedu bam dande. Sida to she o hati to second sara kizu kamti. So shidi piling shidi she peso bara. CCP.
Que पूर्वा से सर जो है.
More to concrete sun no da she steel khasa darbi. Shidi piling dunu suchi bara she de. Ha pramana.
Got a bridge.
Sir, piling suko ada the how protections CC dalai so they bought. Kitin commission to like.
But also piling so kilo ke mo she kilo. Apnar jointly administration or disaster full highway lagado ekta ase damage na aru ki gorbo etu ekta subject ase aru to sleep jaiga na kheti ki destroy korche eta kan alag pura aru ekta assessment lagibo to separate korbi
Yes, sir.
the individual farmers na
Yes, sir.
aru etu আমাগান হর্নবিল ফেস্টিভেল সাইটটো ইয়াতে আছে কিছুমানে তো ইয়াতে ইনাগা থাকি কেনে লাষ্ট ইয়ার বি লাষ্ট মিনিট তক রাস্তা বানাইছে তো ইনাগা নহয় এটা তো নাও আই এম টেলিং লাষ্ট ইয়ার অলসো উই ওয়ার্ক here till the last minute of Hornbill Festival, this 1st December.
Yes.
So this time, whatever we have to do, we'll plan, and we will discuss the department, your PWD, your National Highway, and the administration. So what needs to be done? You formulate. I'm going down to Diampo. Any day we can meet, and we have to discuss on our roads. And you see, your good road, that side also. I don't want you to landscapes clearance, you just throw on the edge of the road. I don't want like that. If you must keep, but then at least you do dressing, not just thrown away. Like you eat and you're not washing your plates and throwing away. So whatever you do after, whatever you do, you should clean it, keep it in place. It should look good. We are civilized society. So at National Highway. So, but National Highway is too far to get all the scolding, all the insult and bad words are poured to the state. That's why all of us, we get bad impression. And people who come from outside, they carry away very bad impression. Yesterday, 2 Americans came to visit this because we are expecting chief guests from America. So that means with this condition and working last minute, we'll keep everybody under tension. Your road landscape clearance, don't throw on the side. If you have to throw, then it should be properly placed. And don't, your buildings are very close to road. Don't allow any individual to collect earth in front of the house again, like a bunker, nah? The National Highway, fear of vehicle coming. They should break out. your national highway, you have the national highway area, so you have to discuss, and government administration will help. And one simple thing, we say road is finished, it is taken over, but for all this time we are using only single lane, and the divider, nowhere it is maintained. Only wild grass grows. It should be taken care. So, who is responsible to maintain the green plants or the flower in the divider? That responsibility you have to do, then you do and give contract to others, or you give to the state. We will give through the department, and we will give it to the say like Pesama. So how much is their area, village area? They should be made responsible, giving some incentives. Then your different churches will divide the area to maintain the divider and the drainage. In that way, your area will be clean, and there should be also competition and prices. No? Because even if you give to village authority, then no masters will be there. But if we give to the church, then for prestige issue and for discipline, the church organization will do. Keep it, your plantation, your cleanliness, all this will be maintained.
They have fund provision during this effect liability period. 5 years you kept provision for contractor. So instead of giving the contractor,
These
as
5
yet
years,
they can
nobody
engage-
had grown nothing.
Yeah, they can engage public in respective villages or town. Also, one thing, have you engaged contractor or you are doing by yourself this work
This work we are doing through contractor.
through contractor?
Yes.
So when there is no rain, you should engage more machinery.
Contractor is also here.
Like today, there is no rain, so you should engage 4 or 5 machinery, not one.
We are having 5 machinery here, sir. Already we are having.
When there is rain, you are helpless. But when there is no rain, they can work.
Yes, sir.
Which company?
The nearest cement, sir.
The
You
original
see,
contractor.
we are all travelers.
Yes, original contractor is Mr. Chunga. कहाँ चले गए? आइए आगे ये सर. He is the contractor, sir. He is.
We are all contractors. You go into the towns and cities, even by night, when traffic is less, when public on the street is less, they work at night,
Yes.
and by morning the workers will disappear, and public will crowd the street, vehicle will run. So there is no dirtying the city, and there is no everything is good. With that kind of works we should do. Why doing emergency works and you get up with barasap, you go to bed with barasap, and then you don't do emergency works? There should be sense of urgency and emergency. I think we can do.
So, sir, from PHQ junction to this landslide area, who is maintaining this road? Because now the road condition is terrible.
From Leri Junction is
Leri Junction
our
is-
part, and we are maintaining up to Mao.
And we are discussing, but we will also take up with the ministry. Your blacktopping area, particularly in habitation and in towns, from drainage to the footpath, everything should be concrete, bitumen, end to end, so that at the end there is mulch, there is grass growing, there is the dirt collection. So it is not matured. It looks very bad. You see, I used to tell our season, there are 4 seasons, isn't it? Your spring, monsoon, autumn, winter. So that what we studied in school, we learn like that. But when we see our condition, there is only 2 seasons. One season is mud season, another season is dust season. So human creation has made it worst. So let us all try to work together and improve. And we'll not wait for the last minute to come, but we'll all work together. And you get all prepared, my officers and my colleagues. We'll have meeting with you, with our administration and disaster everybody. Okay? So all the best. We are very much concerned. And this is not only this year's issue. It's a lifelong. Since our childhood, we have seen all these mudslide and landslides and obstruction on the highway. You called it earlier 39, now 29. So this will continue. So there should be a bypass road, alternative road. And that road, when you do, we should do with national highway specification so that the truck can go with the loading. Otherwise, village road, if highway load, if they carry that tons, then one day the whole road will be finished. And that's all I think this proposal from this, huh? Yeah, this your Chakaba Kadima to Sarnapati, your Pananamai. That road should be an alternative road with National Highway Inspection. We are concerned. That's why we have come to see personally. Thank you.